Welcome back to ARC Tutorials. This is HTML full tutorial series for absolute beginners. In today's episode, we are going to learn about Pretag, which is for pre-formatting. Using this, the way we write in HTML, the same content is displayed in the web page. Let's learn all about it in today's episode. This is part 9 of the series. If you haven't checked out the previous parts, I'll request you to kindly do so that you have continuity in your learning. Alright, so what is the pre-tag in HTML? Pre-tag is nothing but that defines the pre-formatted text. We use it by writing the pre, that's the element name, that's the tag name, and the way we write the text in HTML file, the same will be displayed. Okay, so what are the best use cases to use pre-tag? If you want to use it, let's say displaying some code, some codes, etc., there you can use pre-tag. I'll show you now in hands-on. Alright, so this is what we have so far we have done, and if you see, right click, open in Finder, and then reveal in HTML, open in any browser of your choice. This is what we have right now. Let's go ahead, add the pre-tag to our resume that we are building. Let's say you want to show some code that you have worked or something like that. So I'm going to say pre-tag, close it. Now here I can use multi-line. For example, I can say authored a library in JavaScript for color mapping, and I'm going to add multiple lines. See now, let's say the library fetches colors from the image, let's say. So you see I have two lines which are not separated by break or paragraph, but the rendering will be exactly same the way we have here. So just refresh the page and you see here these two are coming exactly here without even a break or a paragraph. This is called pre-tag. Now let's say you want to add some code snippet or some quotation, right? Let's say I want to say the some quote, right? Like the journey of 1,000 miles begins with first step. So you can show that also in a beautiful way, and you can add some styling to it using the styles that we learned in the previous, right? And like this. So basically you will use pre-tag whenever you want to show pre-formatted text that's will be exactly displayed the way it is in your HTML. Useful, you can customize it, you can change the font size, decoration, how it looks, the color, background, border, and add a lot of styles to it and then make it look more beautiful. For now, all you should know is why do we use pre-tag? We use it so that we can display basic formatting of the text. Okay, the way it is in HTML, the same will be displayed in the web page. That's all you should know at this point. In the next episode, I will talk more about formatting in HTML options, like you have bold, strong, italic, all those things we'll talk in terms of formatting in HTML. Okay. Thank you so much for joining in this episode. I hope you're learning from this series. If you have any doubts, write to me in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you again for joining. See you in the next episode.